So my mom and I just went to a really nice restaurant. It was a Parisian restaurant. And you know, I didn't expect to have any kind of food I would be able to eat. But what they had is an amazing salad. It had feta cheese, which we had put on the side, and I didn't have to deal with that. So what it had a lot of lettuces, and it had a lot of fruits, and it had pecans, and that were candied pecans. And what I'm going to show you is how to make a simple Parisian salad. But it's truly delicious, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So come and see how I did this.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So I just made this delicious salad, and I'm going to eat this strawberry last. I just wanted to show you how delicious it is when you grab into it. Oh, I forgot the most important part, the dressing. Well, it's easy enough to fix that. I'm going to be using balsamic vinegar with a hint of citrus and basil, and I'm not going to use much because there's just a very light layer of leaves in this bowl. Oh, this is how I know what it tastes like. The difference is the Parisian one was on a really large plate. What they had done, they had spread across all the fruits and all the lettuces on the bottom. And they did have a spring mix, but it was much more towards the green side, while here I have red leaf lettuce. think mine's better. My fruits are better, they're fresher and everything else. And let's see what the pecans, the candied pecans turned out. They were using sugar, and I used agave nectar. 5 minutes in the toaster oven, it was excellent. So this is a winner, and I recommend it if you want to have this for your holidays, or if you just want to have this for yourself and your family. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.